In Philippines criminal procedures, the Barnes Doctrine refers to the legal rule that allows a court to convict an accused of an offense that is lesser than the one charged in the information, provided that the lesser offense is necessarily included in the offense charge. This doctrine ensures that the judicial process is not unnecessarily thwarted by a minor technical discrepancies between the allegations in the information and the evidence proven during trial. The core principles are: it must be necessarily included in offenses. An offense is necessarily included in the offense charge when the essential ingredients of the former constitute or form a part of the elements constituting the latter. Conviction for a lesser offense. If the prosecution fails to prove the higher and more serious crime charged, such as serious physical injuries, but successfully proves the fact constituting a lesser offense is slight physical injuries, the court may validly render a verdict for the lesser offense. The doctrine is applied cautiously to ensure the constitutional right of the accused to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against them is not violated. The accused cannot be convicted of a higher offense or a different crime that requires elements completely absent from the original charge.